CSS family. I'm Marcelina Warden, a dietetic intern, and I'm here to tell you about a very special opportunity for all of our wonderful staff here at CSS. Now is the time of year when we all start to spend a little bit more time inside and look for ways to keep busy. Cooking is one of the ways to make our house smell really good, and we get to enjoy homemade dishes that make us feel comfort and at home. I challenge you all to think of a recipe that you love and want to share with the rest of our CSS family here. If you look forward to the newsletter as much as I do, you might have seen this already. One of the things that is different about this recipe contest compared to the other one that we had is that there are prizes this time. Oh yes, the first place winner will not only get the recipe converted into a meal kit for our residents to enjoy, but they will also receive a $25 gift card of their choice. And don't worry, there's a second place prize with a $15 gift card of the person's choice as well. All you have to do is go to your email and find your Food for Thought newsletter, and in that you scroll until you see this part of the newsletter, and you click on the button that says Enter Your Recipe. It could be any recipe at all. You could take a picture of a recipe in an old cookbook or share a link to one online that you would like to use. It could be a slow cooker meal, casserole, ingredients thrown together. The options are endless. We would like the recipe to be something that we could make into a main meal though. We are not looking for desserts. You might remember Nicholas and Matthew cooking the Ghanaian peanut butter and chicken stew together a while back. Nicholas Yavu entered this recipe that was adapted from a recipe that his wife had made. Here is Nicholas now talking about how this all came together.
We're having a conversation with Matthew and the family, and the talk was about our favorite food. So they happened to let me know that they had peanut butter soup before, and Matthew expressed interest in trying it again. I said, well, I'm not good at cooking, but I always stand by my wife when she's cooking, so I could get the recipe from my wife and then we can try.
Did you hear that he doesn't really cook much himself? This contest is also for the people who do not cook. If you love a dish that someone has made for you, we would be happy to see what you have to share. So please, no matter if you cook or not, submit any recipe you like through the newsletter by November 15th, and you just might win a gift card.